So in this video, I will be teaching you how to fix request access in Google Drive. So when opening a link and this page pops up on your screen, it means that the owner of the link did not give you any permission to view the files or the documents found within that link. The owner needs to change the access of that link so that anyone with the link can open it. You need to go to Google Drive and open the app. Then select the file, picture, or video that you want to share. Click on the three buttons right beside the title. By clicking it, these options will pop up on your screen. Select the second option, which is the Manage Access. Notice how it says restricted, meaning only those persons with permission can view the file. To change that, tap on Change, click on the arrow button, and select anyone with a link. And that is how you fix request access in Google Drive. That is all. Thank you and have a great day.